Good morning. It is December 8th. I think it's a Wednesday. I woke up about an hour ago. It's 11 a.m. now. My fiance Ruben brought us some coffee. We're actually staying at downtown Orlando in this really cute Airbnb. So this is our room and it's a disaster because we're currently repacking our stuff into smaller suitcases because we're gonna go over to Apopka. So it's like 30-40 minutes away from here for our friend's wedding, which is tomorrow, and tonight's the rehearsal dinner. So we're taking it so that way we don't have to travel with our 3 big ass suitcases. We're taking smaller ones, and Ruben brought me some Starbucks. So I'm gonna start drinking it now while I wait for him to get ready, because this is a shocker. I'm the one that's ready early for some weird reason. So I'm super excited. The weather is actually pretty nice. It's like a 74 degrees right now. I thought it was gonna be a lot colder. And like I said, I packed for cold options and hot options. So right now I'm wearing a hot option. So let's see how it goes. But I'm excited to walk around and I'll show you guys a little bit about what we see because it's a really cute day out today. Oh my god, wait!
What?
This exact same spot. I came with Madeline. I have so many pictures here.
For real?
That one time we came for brunch.
Aw.
And it's decorated so nice for Christmas. Actually, you probably don't. There was a video game of Rugrats where the grandpa, the Tommy and Jill, would lose his teeth and then the geese would put him in his mouth and it would chase you. And that was the game. You had to run away from the geese. And ever since I've been traumatized.
From geese?
From geese.
They're on that side.
Especially if they're wearing dentures.
They close at 10.
Look, A for Allie. That's a really cute picture. You're very concentrated. Are you happy?
I'm so happy right now.